runs. All right, she runs, tomorrow we ride. Tomorrow, the next day, we eventually go for a ride. G'day everybody, welcome back. Yes, here we are. What a transformation. It's still not running real well, and I've got the camera on the back, so we've got 3 cameras. Well, tell you what, it accelerates nicely. Our new speedo cable's working. I better observe it because this is sketchy. Right, wow. Front forks, good. Front brakes, good. Motor feels nice. This is a totally different bike. Fuel tap's obviously working. We're running on run. I started it on prime. Front brake master cylinder's leaking. Oh well, we might have to get another one. Clutch is a little beep beep. All good team. Don't know how the smoke's looking back there. Back off, on. Back off, on. Yes, we are leaking brake fluid rather severely. So that needs some more investigation. But OMG. Idle's a little high. But, you know, considering we had what we started with, you've got to be happy with that. Straight as a die. No wonkiness in the front end like there was that first time I rode it. One problem, and it's already raising its ugly head there on that hot exhaust, is that the speedometer cable is too friggin' long. God, and I ordered it in Australia for a flaming 81G, and it's a mile too long. You know, like... Well, there she is. Listen to it. Sweet as a nut. Still smoky. But yes, we've got brake fluid pissing out. Oop. Brake fluid pissing out of the piston. Well, it's alright. Getting there, getting there. No oil pissing out of the side cover, which is a good thing. Righto. Let's get out of here before I'm taken to jail. She's not a bad jigger, Bill. You'll get a bike out of this yet, buddy. God, it goes like a dog shot in the arse. I'm digging it, man. I have to try and find another master cylinder. Still some electrical shit to tidy up. Let's have a look how bad that smoke is once we burn through this diesel. Where I am too is, apart from all these good God-fearing folk here, is an area where which is normally on fire. So I just got to be mindful of the constabulary. Anyway, we'll get this back. Super stoked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and we'll be back with more on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.